Hey, welcome my Scrappin friends to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and today I am going to show you my little quick brag book. I got it all decorated. I did show you guys how to make this. I've done a tutorial on it, so I will put the link down below if you would like to learn how to make this. It takes just 2 file folders. So, yep. 2 file folders to make this little cutie. I did use a So Happy Together collection by Simple Stories. It was paper that I had left over from our National Scrapbook Day project. So here it is. And it measures 5.5 by 4.5. I mean, it'd be so cute to sit on your coffee table, send it to your mom. Pictures of the grandkids, very cute, and it takes no time to make this little cutie. Okay, you will love it. So I just put some little ribbon on here. I just put it underneath the paper just to help keep it closed. So there's the front. And it's just, a quick, easy project. This little thing, I think, will hold 25 photos, if I remember right. I think. If I remember right. So, you have a little flap here, and a little pocket, and I didn't decorate these up because I want them for photos. And it does have a 3/4 inch spine, so time you get 25 photos in there, she's probably going to be pushing. But oh, this is just so darn cute, guys. So cute. And I just used the little stickers from the collection. And then these flip up. And of course I didn't, save it for the photos, or you can journal about your photos. And then that. I love this collection. It is so cute. But I wanted to come on here and show you what it looks like all decorated up. I hope you guys will make this cute little brag book. Like I said, I will put the link down below to the tutorial where I teach you how to make this. So yeah, give me thumbs up if you like this. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on anything that I post. So as always, you guys keep scrapping and have a good day. Bye bye.